Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OneDrive automatic backup for device productivity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate OneDrive automatic backup for device productivity, start by locating the OneDrive application on your device. If you do not have OneDrive installed, download it from the official Microsoft website or your device's app store. Once installed, open the OneDrive application by double-clicking its icon. You will be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter your email address and password to log in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. After signing in, you will see the main OneDrive interface. Look for the Settings option, usually found by clicking on the app's icon in your taskbar or menu bar. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Backup tab. Here, you will see options for backing up your files automatically. Check the boxes next to the folders you want to backup, such as desktop, documents, and pictures. You can also choose to add any other folders that are important to you. After selecting your folders, click the Start Backup button. OneDrive will begin the process of backing up your selected files. You can monitor the backup progress in the OneDrive interface. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a notification. To access your backed up files, simply open the OneDrive app or visit the OneDrive website. Your files are now safe and accessible from any device. Regularly check OneDrive settings to ensure automatic backup continues without interruption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.